Hour 1, dissertation. Hour 2, dissertation. Hey, the second one does look better though. I have started coloring to manage my stress and anxiety. I mean, doing a PhD is just so stressful, and there's just all these things to do. A lot of the times you're questioning your own ability to do them, right? And then, of course, it's the job market, which is like the big monster. Chapter 6, conclusion. I conclude that when I'm done with my dissertation, life will be better. I don't know if that's true, at least not for me. I feel like life has gotten a lot harder since doing my dissertation. I think writing my dissertation was probably one of the highlights of my life. Just adding another document to my to-read folder. Yeah, when your friends and family finally ask you what your PhD is about, but you realize you have no idea yourself. I think this is probably more common in the beginning of your dissertation. But like by the end, like you really know what you're talking about. Like you are the expert of that one tiny little subject. When the paper you're reading keeps citing another paper. I like it. This guy is just rocking it on this subway. Love it. What are your plans after graduation? Me. I've wondered sometimes whether I could be a rapper. I mean, once you know that the job prospects are just so bad, you start thinking about other career options, right? Me trying to find the energy to finish the semester before it finishes me. That's good. Hey, I am all in favor of meditation. PhD students setting reminders for all the tasks they have to do. Yeah, there are a lot of things that you got to do. For a lot of grad students, you have to teach at the same time, right? So you're kind of juggling multiple tasks. My graduation speech. I would like to thank the internet, Google, Wikipedia, copy-paste, and Microsoft Office. Yeah, they were definitely key for me to finish my dissertation. Absolutely. Who here wants to do a PhD? Who wants to write their thesis? Nobody. Yeah. This is probably true for most people, but it wasn't true for me. I really loved writing my dissertation. Like I had a really good time. I woke up every morning energized, just ready to start writing, but I'm probably an outlier. Okay, I'm gonna read these books. Damn, books got pages. And some of these books have a lot of pages, okay? Sometimes like people use more words than they need to express the idea. Like I would appreciate brevity. Things I like to do, things I'm good at, things that make money, and my work as an academic. Oh man, this is just so true. This is so true, especially for philosophers too. When you find a typo on your poster while putting it up at the conference. Oh my god, that sucks. That totally sucks. Oh my goodness. You know what's even worse is like when you submit your dissertation and then afterwards realize that you made some typos. That's definitely worse. How it started. Final thesis draft. How it's going. Final draft, version 20, copy 1. That is totally true. Totally true. I can't even tell you how many different versions of my dissertation I have on my computer, okay? It's like, it's insane. And then you start running out of ways to retitle it, So eventually you just start using like numbers or version numbers. Or when the thesis won't quite hang together, PhD tape. Oh my God. Is that really a thing? I've never seen that before. I wonder where they sell that. Advisor. I have a very hands-on approach when advising students. How I was advised. Come on yourself. Yeah, I mean, this is going to depend on the advisor, right? Some advisors are going to be hands-on. I just happen to have a hands-off advisor, and it just happened to work out. Basic math for grad students. Sleep plus social life equals no thesis. Okay? Thesis plus sleep equals no social life. Okay? Social life plus thesis equals no sleep. My class. Me teaching on a topic I knew nothing about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that's pretty true as well. I'm sure that happens all the time. Because like some grad students come straight from undergrad, So, and by maybe like their second or third year, they're already teaching their own classes. And a lot of times you're asked to teach a subject that you're not really familiar with. So you just basically have to keep yourself ahead of the class, right? You're like 1 week ahead of the class that you're teaching. When you've gotten a million things to do and you're paralyzed by your anxiety. Yeah, look at that poor Katie. That's very true. I'm sure a lot of grad students can relate to that, Kat. All right, that's going to be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time.